I'm sure you've heard the news. Fluffy pancakes are the breakfast of champions. Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, whisk these dry ingredients together. Next, let's mix the wet ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Whisk until it's smooth and creamy. Pour the wet mix into the dry mix and gently fold it together. Be careful not to overmix, lumps are okay. Preheat your griddle on medium-low heat. Pour the batter slowly onto the griddle and cook until bubbles form on the surface. Flip and cook until golden brown. Pro tips: use fresh ingredients, measure accurately, and cook on low heat for the fluffiest pancakes. And there you have it, a stack of fluffy, delicious pancakes ready to enjoy. Perfect for breakfast or brunch, this easy recipe will have you flipping pancakes like a pro in no time. Oh,